Dude, what's the holdup?
Mordecai, look! It's a stray donkey!
Aw, sick! He smells like cow manure too. Yeah, I don't know, dude. I don't think it's a good idea to bring a donkey home with us.
Well, why not?
I don't know, I mean, just look at him. Not to mention that Benson doesn't allow barnyard animals to his park.
Come on, Mordecai. At least let us take him home with us, so this way we can give him a makeover and have him come to work with us. I mean, what harm could it have done?
You know, I gotta say, this is actually turning out to be a very good idea after all.
Yeah. Like I said earlier, we could totally convince this guy to become our co-worker, as long as nobody notices, by the way.
Yeah, I guess you're right. Oh shoot, it's time to go to work. Come on, dude, we don't want to be late.
Right. Now don't worry, big guy. We'll come back to you in a little while.
Alright everybody, listen up. Today's the day that we once again keep the park nice and tidy, so we've got lots of work to do today.
So, Pops and Skips, I need you to pick up some shingles for the house roof. Also, Muscleman and High Fives, I need you to come with me to the Home Depot to pick up some new wooden floorboards to replace the old ones on the stairs.
What's wrong with the...
That's what's wrong with the house. And finally, Mordecai and Rigby, I need you guys to rake the leaves and mow the lawn.
Aw, yeah! It was a good thing that we found a bag of carrots lying in the refrigerator.
Yeah, man. I've heard that every barnyard animal loves to eat carrots. Other times I've heard they could eat, like, rutabaga, cabbages, beets. I could go on, you know.
Yeah. Alright, big guy. You're on your way to start mowing the lawn. Off you go now. Oh hey, Benson, what's up? We're just doing our work as usual.
The grass seems to be shorter than usual. So wait, you guys did the lawn too? Wow, I gotta admit, you guys were really quick. Normally you could have phoned it in, but you didn't. It's like you actually wanted to make money here. I gotta give you guys credit. I feel like I should pay you guys a lot more than I could ever dream of doing. What? Why are you staring at me like that? Is there something wrong? What the? A donkey? Boys! Just what is the meaning of this?
Whoa, now Benson, before you freak out, just let us explain everything. So me and Rigby found this stray donkey on the sidewalk and thought that maybe we can bring him over here to keep him company.
Yeah, and at the very least, we had to nurse him back to health. I mean, it wouldn't hurt too bad to leave this guy fully pampered and refreshed. Nope, not on my watch, buddy. We cannot have a filthy barnyard animal on the park premises. Besides, he might even stink up the whole area.
Come on, Benson, at least let us keep him.
Yeah, I mean, at least he won't do any harm. We swear. Please. Sorry, boys, but the donkey has got to go. Now that is enough. Wait, he can talk?
Why, of course I can. I mean, why wouldn't I? Now look at me, Mr. Gumball Machine Guy. There's just some things you just don't understand about me, alright? Ever since I was a very young donkey, all I ever wanted was to be a very helpful guy, hoping to sell markets for a lower price, helping my owners make more money, etc. Unfortunately, over the years, as I start to grow, things started to take a turn for the worst. A lot of farmers started kicking me out of their own companies because they think I wasn't doing a solid job, even though I tried my very best. And every time I wanted to get a job, nobody would want me here. And it just kills me inside. However, as of today, things actually started to take a turn for the better, because when these two picked me up, suddenly I felt so welcome, like I actually knew who I wanted to be, a very helpful donkey. But bottom line, will you please let me stay for their sake and mine? I mean, what other choice do I have other than to be a very helpful donkey?
Okay, you both can keep the donkey, but for working purposes only.
I guess it's time to go convince Turner Broadcasting System to air a 1-hour documentary about flying bears.
Yeah, I hope it gets an exclusive release on HBO Max.